How to easily create your own jewelry with jamming gems. Start by deciding what piece of jewelry you'd like to create. Choose the style and go into the listing. Select the metal you'd like the item made in, then select the stone size, and if you are making a ring, select the ring size you need. To have us finish your mounting, scroll down to finishing options. Select set and polish and then add to cart. Next, you'll need to decide what gemstone you'd like. Go to the gemstone and select the shape and size that matches the mounting you selected. Add the gemstone to the cart. If you are done shopping, go to your cart and review your selections. Now you're ready to check out your order and get ready to enjoy your newly created jewelry. Have questions? Feel free to reach out to us through our contact page or give us a call at 800-903-4367 GEMS. Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time.